In this video we are covered up basic numerical operations. So basic numerical operation means something like plus, minus, into, division, remainder, in these things. So in this video we are covered up this numerical operation. So now we are going to our Python. Here this is the previous code, just cut it out. So now let's create a new file. Select Python file and set a program name. Here I just set basic numerical operation. Now you can see our interface is ready. Here we can now write our code. So first of all, I am just going to print two integer value which return addition of two integer value. That means 10 plus 10. So now duplicate it for other operations, minus, plus and into and remainder for. In second line we are add minus, this is for into, this is for division, and last one for remainder modulus. So now we can comment it out for better. This is for addition, this one in the subtraction, this one print multiplication, and this line print division of these two numbers. And the final one print remainder. So now we are just going to run our code. That's fine. Now go to the run and run the code. Let's check the output of this program. We have seen this, the successfully compiled. Here first one is 20, the addition of 10 plus 10. Second one is 0 because 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Third one is 100 because 10 into 10 is 100. Here this is the division of 10 divided by 10. So you can this is successfully output our result. So this is just two variables. Here we can set this variable into two different variables. Here we can set our variable first value for store the first value, second value which is a variable which can store the second value. Here I just change the value into 20. Now set the first value here as a variable plus second value. Same here, first value minus second value. Here we just set two values in two different variables. First value into second value. Here first value divided by second value. We just store our value in variables, then call it here, nothing else. This is the standard. So now we are going to run code over again. Select the program name. You can see this is successfully compiled. Here you can see our output 35 for addition, 5 for my subtraction, 300, 1.33 and 5. Without this, here you can add or some format output. So now we are just going to format our output by adding some string. Here addition, this is for subtraction, and in line number 6 we are adding multiplication. In line number 7, sorry, this is multiplication, we just write division here. In line number 7 we are going to use division. This is just a format string. Here you can see you just getting some error because this is return a integer or float value. So here we need to use comma before the return value. So now we are going to run this code again. Okay, let's check. Program runs successfully. Here you can see this is the formatted output: addition 35, subtraction 5, multiplication 300. By this you can format your code in output different types by different format. So this is for today. In the next video we are going to show how to get value from the user input.